Awit en korte e caso di ginecólogo Harold Narray na tumalugang. Kuhopi satisfaksyon na doktora recebi Evanes di e juez ita espera ku e dolor de cabeça comienza por di año 2000 lo termina y pasa para atrás de lomba.
Segundo especialista, a situação aqui também um vírus de geração que quer saca e doctor for do mundo médico na Aruba.
This is an old issue. There is a vendetta against me that is being led by the Hokayu family, beginning with Percy Hokayu, and Arends, okay, Janice, Frank. They have from beginning put a very adamant desire to get this person off the island, okay? And sorry for Mr. Cillier, he just came somewhere along the line in the show, or in the activities, but it goes way, way before him, okay? There were people in that system, hospital, that wanted me out. They wanted me out even before 65. So when I turned 65, they couldn't wait any day longer. Like, opgeruimd staat netjes, ga weg.
Lo que com um rol de inteiro processo aqui, não mostra nada positivo de de especialista.
Animosity, jealousy, thinking that OBGYN belongs to some people. His father was the gynecologist, Dr. Hope's father was the gynecologist. So they consider this like the eigendom, the property. I was invading the property. I have to learn to practice island on a small island. I come from Atlanta. In those hospitals, you had 60, 90 gynecologists on staff. I come here to hospital with 4 gynecologists. In my experience, it's the smallest hospital I've worked at. So you have what they call small hospital, small island politics. And this was led by a group, I call them a vendetta, a mafioso, that during time have done their bad activities, and yeah, it culminated in this, and luckily I came out on top, but it's sad to notice that more than 15 years I've been harassed by a group of, I would say, a vendetta that hopefully, I hope it's their final point.
Después del veredicto de caso de Dr. Narray, ahora especialista por ejercer su trabajo en hospital. Sin embargo, ainda falta parte na onda que se firma un contrato com a AZV. Essa aqui está em processo, tem momento na aqui, onde com a AZV e tanto hospital. Está sentando com outro para reunir, onde com já vierna não se volve sinta com o doctor na mesa para assim concluir o que está vai vir o contrato de AZV.
I think AZV, we're going to sit down with them rustig, calm, and evaluate how we can solve it. They are also waiting for the hospital, this verdict, so it opened new avenues, and as far as what's going to happen with the AZV, it's best to contact me next week. I don't know yet. I think the good people in AZV that are open to suggestions, and have a team of angels that support me, so let's wait and see what happens.
Para ATV Canal G5, Amita Farah Bukout.
Mr. Bisa, com o caso que o Dr. Narray na Gana awed em corte está netamente para prosseguir atender com o paciente no hospital. Promete que nos noticiero Sierra nos porá a concretização fora do diretor de AZV, que lo dona especialista 1 para 2 lunas só de contrato para por delegar o trabalho necessário para outro ginecólogo que lo tem na caminda.